question that I hear a lot is, what should I put on my whiteboard? And as much as I understand the impulse to ask for that advice, I really want to discourage you from looking for generic whiteboard ideas. This whiteboard has to be individualized to your needs and how you would use it. Now, this is something you should take the time to figure out. You can do that by practicing using a whiteboard when you're taking mock tests. Is it just for scratch paper, or are you going to put some response prompts on it, like acronyms or formulas, hints, maybe positive statements like "you got this"? But by utilizing someone else's idea, you're ignoring what you may specifically need and what your whiteboard behavior is going to look like. Now, for some people, having those little hints and prompts written on the board won't be helpful because maybe you'll find that you never reference the content. So, of course, it's a waste of exam time to write something down. But for other people, having an acronym like BAD cage, IVs versus DVs for the experimental designs, or other little visuals that you want on hand, it's going to help them a lot. Now, obviously, you need to already know this stuff to write it in at the exam site, but these whiteboard prompts are like a security blanket. So practice with those mocks. Assess how you would use it. Do you reference it? What's helpful for you? And what you're looking to see is what for and how often you're referencing the board as you're breaking down test questions. By the way, you can use a laminated piece of paper, plain paper, actual whiteboard. It does not actually matter. Now, for me, I liked having my acronyms on hand, an ABC chart that I could use for multiple questions, some little visuals that helped me with the response and stimulus prompts and generalization, and of course I left a little space for scratch paper. That's what worked for me. Now, what do you think is going to work for you?